So, shop update. Figured I'd make this a quick video. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. We mostly automotive, gaming, and food reviews here on this channel. And you can see we got a lot of cool toys, a lot of parts just stacked up, Chevelle build parts, and all kinds of goodies. Here, coming soon to the channel. Now that we got power in the shop, we can start remodeling, getting this all ready for Matt to come in here and work his machine shop magic. Because I don't know how to run these fancy stuff, but Matt will teach me, and he will teach you. Maybe you want to do some engine building on your own, you know? We got plenty of builds for the channel coming. We got the Pontiac for the Grand Prix. Yeah, that's still down in the field of dreams and stuff. We got a Cleveland over here. Take a look. Not for the Maverick, this is for the Ford Trino. Probably will put a Cleveland in the Maverick too. If you know, we do got a Ford Grabber Maverick we're building. No lights at the moment because I got all the breakers off besides this main room and outside lights. You know, we got them walkway lights and a pole light installed today. The power took longer than I expected because it had to be inspected and nobody told me that. I figured it did, but when I called and, you know, somebody left out the detail that they was waiting on the inspection, so they suggested an inspector. So we got it inspected, which is good. You can see it looks really nice in the daylight. It's came a long way. So we got it inspected. Power was hooked up the next day. Kentucky Power, I guess, thank you, because it was speedy and, you know, it was very professional, very helpful. So I'll show you what it looks like on the outside, because you ain't seen it with power. Getting rid of the hot water tank. We removed that. I don't know if it was on a video or not, but we are going to probably put inside one of them instant water heaters. It takes up less room, guys, than an old bulky style hot water. We found the city water. So the city water, thank you again. They come down here. It took them about 3 tries, but they tracked down the meter for us. It's way up yonder, and so we got that situated. And Kentucky Power came and installed a big pole light there on some of our parts cars. That's very nice of them, and you know, they installed it when they put power on today, which was a plus. We didn't have to wait because they said we might have to wait on it. And the outside lights are perfect. The parking lot's nice and bright. So that's pretty much sums up everything so far. Matt's got the build design for this, so Matt's going to relay it back to me, because Matt, as you guys know, comes in usually. He's in Texas right now, and he's moving back soon, so Matt's going to relay what he wants done, and, you know, we're going to try to get it done. Get Matt back here in Kentucky so we can get a lot of these projects out of the way, because it's coming in every couple months. Is we can't get a lot done, and you know, you stronger together. Me and Matt, if you noticed us, we get more done together than when we are apart. I don't know why. We help each other up, and that's the way it's always been for me and Matt. And when we get the new body shop built this spring, hopefully, what's that been? That's been a year, 2-year project. We made all that land, flattened it, and we had to let it settle anyway. Let's be honest. We didn't want to build on fresh, flattened out land. So we got to start on the body shop. We're going to focus down here on the machine shop. Then we're going to move to the body shop and build a nice, decent sized body shop, about the size of this, you know, with a paint room. Because, you know, you can get 2 cars in here comfortably, 3 if you push it. And that's really all you need for a restoration shop, because we ain't going to be doing insurance jobs. Because the insurance jobs takes away from the restoration. When you know, we store in a car, it takes away from them, because insurance jobs is fast and usually come in quite often. So if you're a restoration shop taking insurance jobs, it is fine and dandy, but usually you don't get to your customers who's expecting the cars by car show season, because you just get overwhelmed with insurance work. So it's going to be a straight up restoration shop. Hopefully you enjoyed this update. Let me know in the comment section what you think. The next equipment piece we should bring in, and where should we put it? That's a surfacer. That's a Bourne and Hone, CK10 Hone. So we need a seat and guide machine. Maybe next to it? I don't know. Comment section below. What color do you think the walls should be? Comment section below. I think Matt, you know, and Amy done decided of, you know, what color we should do the walls. So we might be painting it that color, but you know, me, I enjoy feedback. Matt enjoys feedback. Amy enjoys feedback. Everybody enjoys feedback and getting people's opinions, because why not? So let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support, and hopefully we might be open by summer. There's a lot going on, and there's a lot. There's more work here needs to be done than what it looks like. So we gotta get in tip-top shape, and drywall we placed, everything we modeled. I mean, it's one step at a time. Some people leap and do something, but I noticed that leaping sometimes gets you in trouble. Overall, in the long haul, then taking it one step at a time. Do you prefer to leap and just jump, or do you prefer to take little steps towards your goal? The little step method works for us sometimes, but sometimes you just have to leap. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this update video. I'm gonna go home, edit it now so you can see it. Turn these lights off here. Power. And move on with the day. Still got a lot of eBay listings to do. Didn't know, eBay store, description below. Check it out. And these are the limbs from the Avalanche. I don't know if you knew this or not, but I got new limbs. Didn't I post to end the video? Got a cool little open sign. Need a closed sign. Ain't got one yet. Let's see. There they are. What do you think? It needs center caps and they need tires, but they suit it. I do believe. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Comment below what your, you know, what you think about it. What, you know, any ideas or any cool tools you might know that we might need for this shop. Comment below. That's, you know, would be nice. We've got to come up with some kind of way to move the engines and stuff, that machinery. Yeah. Go comment below with your ideas. Thanks for watching. See you next time.